Hey everyone, welcome back. We're all about finding those tools and tricks that help us learn new things quickly and efficiently, right? And I think we both get pretty excited about discovering valuable resources, like the ones over on AIagentstore.ai.
Definitely. Always looking for those hidden gems.
So today we're diving into AirOps. It's an AI-powered platform, and it's making a lot of noise in the world of workflow automation.
Oh, yeah, AirOps. AI is really proving its worth when it comes to streamlining tasks and boosting productivity in pretty much every field.
And one of the things about AirOps that jumped out at me right away was its autonomy level. 87%, they claim. I mean, what does that even mean in real-world terms? Like, what can this thing actually handle with just a little bit of human guidance?
Right, 87% autonomy. That's a big claim. But basically, it means AirOps can pretty much run those complicated workflows from start to finish with minimal input from us. So think about it. You could set up a system that automatically creates social media posts, digs into marketing data, or even tackles customer support inquiries.
Okay, so it's taking care of those repetitive tasks, basically.
Exactly, and it's doing it with very little oversight, which is where the real value lies. Most platforms out there still require you to manually connect all the tools and steps in your workflow, which can be a real pain. But AirOps really aims to streamline the process, making it much more efficient.
That's impressive. And they're using some pretty powerful AI models to make it happen, too, right? I saw GPT-4 Turbo and Claude 2 mentioned on their website.
Yeah, they are.
For those of us who aren't, like, deep in the AI world, can you give us a quick rundown of what those models actually do?
Of course. Those are what we call large language models, basically. They're trained on huge data sets of text and code. Imagine a superpowered brain that can not only understand, but also generate human-like text. They can translate languages, write all sorts of creative content, and even answer your questions in a really informative way. And this goes for even those really open-ended, challenging, or even strange questions.
So it's not just spitting out canned responses, it's actually processing and understanding.
Precisely. And AirOps is using these advanced models to power its automation features. What this means is you can create those complex workflows without needing to write a single line of code yourself.
I see. So this ties into the whole low-code approach that AirOps keeps talking about. But honestly, the term low-code API still sounds a little intimidating to someone like me who's not a developer. Is there a way to explain it so it makes sense for, the average user?
Yeah, jargon can be confusing. So think of it this way. An API is essentially a messenger that allows different software applications to communicate with each other. And traditionally, you needed a lot of complex coding to connect those applications. But with a low-code API, it's like piecing together a puzzle. You can connect different tools and services using a visual interface, dragging and dropping elements. AirOps offers this visual workflow builder that lets you build, test, and deploy AI-powered workflows without needing to be a coding whiz.
So we're essentially building our own custom AI applications with a visual toolkit, even if we don't have a deep technical background.
Exactly. And that's one of the most exciting things about AirOps. It's making AI accessible to everyone, regardless of their tech skills. Now, anyone can harness its power to automate their work and free up their time.
That's a game changer for sure. And it sounds like this could be incredibly useful for both individuals and big organizations alike.
Absolutely. For individuals, it's about reclaiming your time by automating those tedious, repetitive tasks so you can focus on more creative or strategic work. And for organizations, AirOps has the potential to streamline entire workflows, saving time and resources, and ultimately boosting efficiency.
This has been a really interesting deep dive into AirOps. I'm definitely intrigued. If any of our listeners want to learn more and maybe even try it out themselves, where should they head?
Well, you know where to find this kind of information. Just head over to AIagentstore.ai. You'll find in-depth info on AirOps and a bunch of other AI tools that can help you supercharge your workflows.
Awesome. Thanks for breaking it all down for us. And to our listeners, thanks for joining us on this deep dive. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.